In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a web page inside Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a live website right into your Notion workspace so you can view and interact with it without leaving your page. Start by heading to Notion.com. On the home page, click Login. I'll choose the Google option here and select my account, but feel free to use whatever sign-in method you normally use. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace. Next, either create a new page or open an existing one where you want the embed to live. I'll create a fresh page by clicking Add a Page, then I'll give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. A descriptive title helps you and your team quickly recognize what this page is for. Now we need the website we want to embed. I'll use Twitch as an example. Open a new browser tab and go to twitch.com. Click into any sample video to get a specific page you can embed. Then click the browser's address bar to highlight that page's URL so it's ready for use in Notion. Head back to your Notion page. On a new line, type the command /embed. From the menu that appears, choose Embed. You'll see a field asking for a link. Paste the URL you just highlighted, then click Embed Link. Notion will load the content directly in your page as an interactive frame. Here's what to expect. The embed is a live view of the web page, so it updates as the source page updates. You can resize the block by dragging its corners or edges, and if your page layout calls for it, you can turn on full width in the page settings to give the embed more room. You can also drag the block to reposition it anywhere on the page to fit your notes, tasks, or other content. A few helpful tips. Some websites restrict embedding for security reasons. If you see a message like refuse to connect or the page doesn't load, it usually means that site doesn't allow embeds in external apps. In those cases, try a different link on the same service or use a site that supports embedding. Also, make sure the link you're using is publicly accessible and not locked behind a login. For video platforms, a direct video or channel URL typically works better than a generic homepage. That's it. You went to Notion, signed in, created or opened a page, grabbed a URL from the site you want, used the embed command, and dropped the link in. You now have a clean, interactive web page right inside Notion, ready to use alongside your notes and projects.